Now, we talked a little bit about using a fleet management company before. We kind of brushed by it, but of course, there's a lot of internal costs associated with managing the programs like this on a day over day. We have things like maintenance schedules, we have registration and licensing, we have turnover, reconditioning, tax and allowance, sourcing vehicles. You know, what is a day in the life of somebody who manages fleet, a fleet manager, for example? What does that look like?
So there's a lot of time that definitely could be more effectively reallocated for people managing fleet. There are the unforeseen circumstances, such as accidents, having to work through that. Although you do have like a fleet partner you may be working with, a lot of this is going to be internal administrative burden. So that's definitely something that should be largely taken into account in terms of efficiency, and also just finding ways to streamline processes so both administration and employees are seeing the most effective use of their time throughout their day, and as well as onboarding and offboarding of employees. That's another big one. There's already a lot of steps being taken in the administrative side of onboarding an employee without taking into account acquiring a vehicle, registering it, and all those steps.